Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarah and we are a minimalist family who is living big with less. And today I'm going to show you some real life. We are smack bang in the middle of my kids' school holidays and we have been doing all the things. And I find whenever we are out of routine or have a lot going on, the wheels just naturally fall off a little bit, but that is completely fine. We have been having so much fun. Our house has been full of laughter and play, which I love. But the whole reason I'm a minimalist is because it takes me way less time to get it reset. So I'm gonna take you with me. I have like 1 hour before I need to be out of the house because we're going to a water park this afternoon. And so I have no choice but to make this work in an hour, get as much done as I can during that time. And I'm gonna take you with me because the reason I make cleaning videos is to show you that we are real people, we make real messes, and it's a really lot less time to clean it up. So let's get started. We're gonna do it. As usual, guys, I have included a little State of the Union for you. This is toy mess, post-breakfast mess, and I am just going to start by clearing off my kitchen counters because I find that once they are clear, I have a clear mind ready to move on to all the other things that need to get done. There are a couple of really important things that I find super helpful when I'm cleaning my kitchen, and the first one is to return things to their home in your kitchen and leaving some extra space for those miscellaneous items. So whether it's a junk drawer or a space where you can keep office supplies, if that's where you do that, I find that super helpful. And I also like to make some little piles as I'm going through of things that need to go to a different home, so things that live outside of my kitchen. And also just if I've got a whole heap of rubbish or recycling, I put that in a pile. That way I'm staying in one location, but when I'm ready to move on, I can take those things to where they belong. I absolutely love a clean and shiny sink. What I prefer to use is some really hot soapy water, and then I dry it at the end. And if you are a fellow shiny sinker, I have a video coming out in just a few weeks about where I tried out the Fly Lady method. So if you are interested, that is coming very soon. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that you love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. My favorite thing about clearing off my kitchen counters is that I feel like I can always give it a really good clean. And so these areas where we're preparing food and sitting and eating, I can make sure that a couple of times a day I'm going from one end to the other and giving it all a really good clean. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you
catch my breath again.
Whenever I am short on time, like today where I'm doing a quick 60-minute power hour and getting through as much as I can, it's a great way of letting go of perfectionism and just getting as much done as you possibly can. And things like packing up the toys and getting a whole room clear in a really short period of time is a great place to not only build on your wins, but also to get a lot done in a really short space of time.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Whenever I am doing a quick clean, I am always thinking about those areas that my guests are going to see or those places that my family use the most. So that is things like living areas, coffee tables, kitchens, and toilets. I just feel like if I have a chance to get over those areas, that everything else can wait till later. If you guys have been around for any length of time, you will know that I absolutely love my Dyson and I vacuum some part of my house every single day, particularly those areas that just get the dirtiest. So here at our breakfast bar where my kids do a lot of their eating, I just like to give it a quick once over. It's progress over perfection. And then if I don't have time to do a full mop, sometimes I just hit this area with a wet cloth, make sure I get any sort of sticky marks off the floor, and then of course I wash that cloth straight away. But it's a great way of just doing a little interim clean between those full vacuums and mops.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me.
Now I know that I'm going to get some comments saying that if my kids are home, why are they not helping me clean? And my kids really are such good cleaners, and I just come in, as you can see, they've already made their beds. I am just giving these rooms a really quick tidy. I find that kids can do such a good job of maintaining a space, particularly if they are cleaning alongside you or if they are just upkeeping whatever has order and they know where things go. That is the best sorts of skills you can instill in your kids, but I still help them out a lot.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
If you guys are interested in seeing a video about how I get my kids to help me clean and what sort of things our kids do to help around the house, I would be most happy to do one for you. Just let me know down in the comments. I find that a mixture of getting them to do it themselves and also cleaning alongside me, but I have some really good tips of what's worked well for our family.
Spend your time with me, looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
I am absolutely blown away, guys, at what I achieved in just 60 minutes, including filming it for you guys. But one of the areas that I really do like to prioritize is our media room, mostly because this is the room at the front of our home. So it's the room that our guests and our friends see when they come into our house first. So I just try and keep it really clear most of the time, so it's super quick to reset it, get everything back into its home, and when people walk into our house, it's fresh and clean.
get next